Laughter is the best medicine. People say that laughter is strong medicine. It controls people together in such ways that trigger healthy physical and emotional variation on the body of people. Laughter makes our immune system stronger, boost our mood, reduce pain, and protect us from the damaging of harmful effect of stress and tension. Nothing works faster than a good laugh to bring our mind and body back into the balance, relaxing them. Humor lightens our burdens, inspire us, connect us to other people, and keep us alert by the mind and active physically. It also helps us releasing anger and forgiving people quicker than in a normal mood. Laughter heals other people around us. When they upset or have any kind of stress or tension, laughing once every day will make us a happier person and will also fill us up with energy and excitement. Moreover, laughing or even passing a smile to any stranger or friend around us can change their entire day or sometimes even their life change. Moreover, laughing or even passing a smile to any stranger or friend around us can change their entire day or sometimes even their life change. It would easily surprise you what a big excitement of spreading happiness in people. However, if you see someone with their head down or face upset of being extra quiet than the usual reserve, spread your smile with them. Our single smile can give a whole day positivity to a person sometimes. Laughter has so much power that we can heal or renew us from inside. The ability to laugh effortlessly and frequently is a wonderful resource for conquering from problems. Laughter can do miracles such as improving our relationship, supporting physical and emotional health, giving positive thoughts and other things. Above all, this process medicine is fun, free, and easy to utilize by anyone. Laughing relaxes our whole body from head to toe, and even from inside. A good and hearty laugh relieves physical tension and stress that is not good for health. It helps leaving our muscles relax for up to 45 minutes after laugh therapy. Laughter helps human being. Laughter helps in decreasing the stress hormones. It increases the immune cells and infection fighting antibodies within us. Moreover, it helps in improving our resistance to disease as well. Laughter protects our heart from many diseases. Laughter enhances the function of the blood vessel and at the same time it increases the flow of the blood in the body. A decent flow of blood in the body helps in protecting us against a heart attack and other cardiovascular problems that are very harmful to the heart. Fuck! A decent flow of blood in the body helps in protecting us against a heart attack and other cardiovascular problems that are very harmful to the heart. Nothing can diffuse our anger and conflict faster than shared laugh therapy. Looking at the funny side can even put difficulties into the perspective. This will probably allow you to move on from the confrontations without holding onto the bitterness or anger. Laughter can even result in longer and healthy life. A study about laughter in Norway found that people who have a strong sense of humor outlasted those who don't laugh as much. The difference was particularly remarkable from those battling with cancer. Overall, laughter is the best therapy as we all know that it only has positive results. Laughter can make you a good person, can bring a drastic change in your life. It can heal many things in your life. Sometimes, laughter is the only thing that we require for healing ourselves from something bad that happens with us in the past. So laugh as much as you can and throw out the stress out of your head.